Hi, after learning about building a strategy based on technical indicators, we will now shift our focus to learn about a strategy which is based on options. So today we'll be making a simple strategy which is a very popular 920 straddle strategy. So let's get right to it. In order to create a strategy, directly come to strategies and click on create. Within create, you will find a name that you can give to the strategy. So let's name it as 920 and you can give it various tags and you can add a description to it. So let me add it as my 920 strategy, and you can use this to add notes for your strategy, and you can keep points that you need to remember in the description here. um, Out here you will see there is the entry condition builder, which we discussed in the previous video, and there's the position builder. Other than that, you can see repair conditions and you can see the universal exit. So in this video we'll be showing you how to add the entry conditions. So in order to add the entry conditions, just click on add, and out here we look for time, since we want our straddle to take an entry at 9:20 in the morning. So I'll click on time of NSE is greater than or equal to number, which I will select as 9:20. Along with this, I'll add one more condition just so that after my stop losses are hit, it shouldn't take an entry in the same strategy again. So for that I will add a condition as position detail of entry, transaction type all, instrument type all, and value as quantity, and my underlying will be Nifty 50. After selecting Nifty 50, I'll click on OK. I'll select position detail is equal to number as 0. This condition that you see out here will basically allow the entry condition in the strategy to be executed only one time. And now I'll click on submit and I'll close this. After that, I'll add the position builder. Since I want to take a straddle at 9:20, I will select my exchange as NFO. I'll select the instrument as call. Underlying will be Nifty, and I'll select my product as normal and strike as ATM. I would want to opt for a weekly expiry, and my quantity will be one lot, and I want to sell these options, and I'll click on add. After that, I can change this type to put. Since I want to add one more instrument, I'll select my underlying as Nifty, and I will select the strike again as ATM. My expiry will be current week and the quantity will be one lot, and I'll click on add, and I will close this position builder. So you must have noticed that unlike our previous strategy build, we did not select anything in the set in the selection of the lists. We did not do this because we are looking at only one instrument in this strategy. If you are looking at only one instrument and your condition checking is happening on only one instrument, you do not need to select any list in the strategy. So since I want to take a short position only in Nifty, I will not select any instrument out here. However, if the condition checking has to happen on multiple instruments like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and so on, in that case, you can select an instrument. You can select a list name from here. So that's about it in this video. In the next video, we will be discussing how to add the stop loss and target conditions for your strategy for the 920 straddle. So thank you.